For those using or looking to use Dynamics 365 Business Central to help manage production schedules, then look no further than the MX APS app from InsightWorks. In this video, we will talk about how manufacturers can optimize production schedules. There can be many factors to consider when creating production schedules. Maybe you're lucky and have brilliant people who understand every detail and create perfect production schedules. For the rest of you, Dynamics 365 Business Central with the MX APS app can help optimize schedules. Take sequencing, for example. MX APS understands job parameters and will consider priority, setup time, job parameters, and other variables to optimize schedules. Let's say you have 5 different jobs. 3 of these jobs require minor tooling changes. MX APS will group these 3 similar jobs to minimize setup time. Sequencing also includes things like running jobs from light to dark or from hot to cold. For some manufacturers, lot splitting is important when operating in a high volume environment. Let's say you have an order for 10,000 widgets and you know you cannot run all of the units on one machine because it'll tie up that machine for a week. MX APS can split the job up in a few different ways, including smaller lots, specific lot quantities, across multiple machines, over several days, or other specified rules. So, if you want to regularly create realistic production schedules without relying on people to understand all of the scheduling details, then you'll want to take a look at MX APS from InsightWorks. To learn more, check out the MX APS website or reach out to your Microsoft partner. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.